students. So welcome to next session 25. Today we'll discuss some more examples related to matrix method. The next question, solve the system of equations. So the three equations. But here, in the place of x, y, z, they give like reciprocal terms. 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. The only that is a different. Remaining matrix they are same only. First A matrix. Coefficients what? 2, 3, 10. 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. X matrix actually like x, y, z. Here reciprocal is there, that's why 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. B matrix is 4, 1, 2. Okay, first find that A value. That A equal to depth of 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. Expand along R1 only 2 into, but relative is row and column. Minus 6 into minus 20. This plus 120 minus 9 5 is 45. Next minus 3 into, by derivative is row and column. 4 into minus 20 minus 80 minus 6 5 is 30. Next here plus 10 into, by derivative is row and column. 4 into 9 36 minus 6 into minus 6 minus 36 minus of minus plus 36. 2 into, if remove here clearly the value 120 minus 45, it is clearly 75. Minus 3 into minus 110 plus 7, 10 into 72. 2 into 75, 150 minus of minus plus 330 plus 720. Add is all three values. 720 plus 330 plus 150. How much? 8, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Total 1200. 1200 is the material value. It's clearly not equal to 0. Not equal to means A inverse is exists. Now, you can apply now matrix for the concept of what Ax equal to B. From this x is equal to what? A inverse into B. How to find A inverse? Further we need to find adjoint B. For adjoint we need to find cofactors. A1 sign is the plus. By deleting first row, first column. Minus 6, 5, 9 minus 20. 120 minus 45. Clearly 75. Next A1 to what the sign? Minus. By deleting first row, second column. 4, 5, 6 minus 20. So minus of 4 into minus 20, minus 80 minus 6 5 is 30. Total minus 80 minus 30 minus 110. Minus of minus plus 110. Next A13 sign is a plus. By deleting first row, third column. 4 minus 6, 6 9. So plus of 9 4s are 36 minus 6 into minus 6 minus 36 minus of minus plus 36. Now 36 plus 36 is 72. Next, A21 sign is minus into depth of second row first column delete remaining 3 10 9 minus 20. Second row first column 3 10 9 minus 20. So minus of 3 into minus 20 minus 60 minus 9 times are 90. Minus 60 minus 90 1 minus 150 minus of minus plus 150. Next A22 sign is a plus into depth of deleting second row second column. What remaining? 3 10 not 3 10 second row second column delete means second row second column 2 10 6 minus 20 corner values 2 10 6 minus 20 plus 2 into minus 20 minus 40 minus 6 times are 60. Total minus 100. Next A23 sign is minus into depth of delete second row third column 2 3 6 9. Minus of 2 9s are 18 minus 18. It's clearly 0 only. Next we need to find A31 sign is a plus. Delete third row first column. Third row first column 310 minus 6 5. 310 minus 6 5. Third row delete and first column. 3 into 5 15 minus 6 minus 6 into 10 minus 60 minus of minus plus 60 total 75. Next A32 sign is the minus. Sign is minus. Delete third row, second column. 2, 10, 4, 5. Minus of 2 5s are 10, 4 10s are 40. 10 minus 40 minus 30, minus of minus plus 30. Next A33 sign is a plus. Third row, third column will be remaining 2, 3, 4 minus 6. Plus of 6 into minus 2 minus 6 more. 2 into minus 6 minus 12 minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 12 minus 12 minus 24 total. Now write out adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? First three values into first column. 75, 110, 72. Next values 150 minus 100 0. Next 75, 30, 24. So minus 24. Take sign also very important. One side mistake also you won't get answer. Now from this we can write A inverse matrix. What is A inverse formula? 1 by delta A into adjoint A. Now 1 by delta A value 1200 into adjoint A what? 75, 150, 75, 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24. Now we are taking the X matrix. What is X matrix? A inverse into B. Now 1 by 1200 into 75, 150, 75, 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24 into what is the B matrix? 4, 1, 2. Now 1 by 1200 into 75 fours are how much? 300. 150 into 1 plus 150. 75 twos are 150. Next 110 into 4, it is clearly 440. Minus 7 into 1 minus 100. 32s are 60. Next third one with column. 72 fours are 288. 0 into 1 0. Minus 24 into 2 minus 48. Now 1 by 1200 into 300 plus 150 plus 150 is total 600. 440 minus 100 340. 340 plus 60 400. 288 minus 48 so 240. The value is. Now divide with the 1200. 600 by 1200. 400 by 1200. 240 by 1200. If you cancel with 600 only, 600 ones are 600 twos are. So what will get here? 1 by 2. 400 ones are 400 threes are 1 by 3. 240 ones are 240 fives are. 240 5 times if you take, you will get 1200 will get. That's why. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. But here x value directly we are not able to find because what is the x matrix actually? 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Just we have to compare with that. How to compare? Just compare that solution. Final value. Final value compare means what here x matrix? 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Into what the values we got? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. What is x value? 2. Denominator values. Y value 3, z value 5. This is a solution of this given equations. So one more, there is a theory question. Theory question, we need to form the equations. Let the question 11th one. Cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice of rupees 60. Next, the cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice of rupees 90. Next, the cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice of rupees 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. We need to find what is the actual cost of each item per kg. 1 kg onion, 1 kg wheat, 1 kg rice, cost we need to find. They given statement like this. What? First of all, I will take let the cost of onion rupees 6, onion, comma, wheat, arithmetic, and rice is rupees x, comma, y, comma, z. And x that we need to find. That is a form the linear equations. First, for 1 kg per kg. Per kg, this is the cost of the each item. Wheat and rice. For 1 kg x rupees means 4 kg how much you will get? 4x. This total amount how much given? 60 given here. So we need to product and we need to add later. For 3 kg wheat, for 1 kg how much? Wheat cost y, product 3y. Here 2 kg, here cost is z, total 2z equal to 60. One equation will form. Next, the cost of 2 kg onion, that means 2x, 4 kg wheat, that is 4y, 6 kg rice, 6z. Equal how much given cost? 90, total cost. Next, the 6 kg onion, 6x plus wheat, 2y, 3 kg rice, 3z. Equal how much cost is given? 70. Now, it is the same method to solve by using matrix method. Writing A matrix, X matrix, B matrix. The method if you follow, you will get finally X value, Y value, Z value. That is the cost of each item for kg. Onion cost, X value, wheat cost, Y value, rice cost, Z value. Per kg you will get. Solving from here very easy. Forming only very important here. For kg, I take an X rupees. For 4 kg, how much you will get? 4x. Because to get total the cost of that all quantity. 3 kg wheat. For 1 kg, what is the wheat cost? We can assume y. 3y plus 2z equal to 60. Similar next form. From here, find out X matrix, A matrix, B matrix. Apply the matrix method concept, will get the answer.